Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Guess what's in here? Trout, you guys. Can you see him? Okay, I'm getting ready to clean him. There's our first day's catch. We caught our limit. I've already cleaned one of them. It's in a bowl. It's not in here. This is the biggest one. You know that was mine. No. I think my friend caught that one. Rainbow. I don't know. They've been frozen on ice, so I'm getting ready to clean them. Doing all the little raptures. So yeah. So our first day up here, we weren't even planning on going fishing until tonight. We went in the heat of the day, and we were fortunate enough to catch 8. And then we're going again tomorrow morning. Okay, I better get busy. Well, there's all the cleaned fish. It's not very good lighting. I'm sorry, guys. It's later in the, well, early evening, I guess. I'm tired. I cleaned all those fish that we caught. And I need to sit down, take a break. There, that's a little better. 8. Take a little break before I start supper. Okay, guys, we're getting ready to put 4 of our 8 trout that we caught today. These are our smaller ones on a fire. I'm going to show you. Oh, the hands. Okay. Vanna White, will you please display? So I seasoned the inside with garlic powder. Oh, there's a little onion trying to sneak out. Garlic powder, Himalayan sea salt, salt-free seasoning, which has peppers in it also, and garlic powder. And then what we have inside here are some lemon slices. I thought I saw a bug crawling over there, but it was the pepper. And some onion and some onion slices. And we're gonna put it. That would be good. Would you please set that down now? And then we have some coconut oil and butter in here. And my friend made an incredible fire. Ta-da! And we're gonna cook it right on there, guys. What?
You want your friend in the fire?
Sure. Do I want my friend in the fire? She said, we did a good job. I have to tell you guys, there's my friend, Di, from the South, from Florida.
We can edit that out if you don't like it, right?
Oh, I like it. It's cute. Staying in. All right. She's been tending to that fire for a while. We came back. We were exhausted, guys. I'm telling you, but we kept busy. I made a big bowl of pasta, and she helped cut up. And so we're going to see how this all works out. But this is so fun. This is so fun. I'm having so much fun, everybody. They know how I am.
Think we should move it down?
Not yet. If you quit telling me how to cook, we'd be doing a lot better. And because she could have taken over at any point. Not really. You know I wouldn't have let her do that, guys.
You can't tell her anything.
And she keeps trying, though. Keeps trying to tell me everything. Look at the Big Daddy spatula.
Yeah.
Whoa. It's about to get me. Why didn't you warn me?
Because I can't tell you anything.
I know. Oh, you know what I do need? Yeah, you know, it's in the drawers on the far side. Thank you. I forgot. Because you got that thing going now. Shoot. She's been so worried that the fire wasn't going to be hot enough, and now it's really going. Oh, you guys, we just had a blast. I just can't tell you. So we're just going to let our coconut oil and butter, doggone, melt down. And we're just going to do a simple little fry in there. And then I'll show you our pasta too that I made. That looks so good.
Oh, we're frying it in butter and coconut oil, is that right?
Yes.
We could be the first humans to ever fry trout in coconut oil.
I think we probably are.
I'm just saying.
Or, yeah, we could be. Or you'd have to go to a high-end restaurant to get this kind of goodness.
Amen, sister.
1,
Expertly done.
2, thank you. Oh boy. This is so exciting. And they just fit. I'll make room for them.
And get my camera.
Yeah, you gotta send your hubby a picture of this baby.
Ma'am.
He's gonna love it. Campfire cooking. Check it out. Look at that. I turned them around because this grate is a little bit on a slant and the oil wants to tilt down this way. This is a little bit, you know, this is thicker, but could eat some fried trout tail. Ooh. Thank you.
You ready for the flip?
I don't know.
I think not.
Yeah, the skin's coming off a little bit.
That's right.
Yeah, I mean, you're not, are you eating the skin?
I don't know.
Who
We'll
knows?
see. Yeah.
We'll see. Ooh, that's curling.
They're so pretty.
They are pretty.
That was a good idea to do them over the fire. You're brave.
Why?
I don't know. I probably would have done them on the stove to control everything.
Really? I know. Well, I thought about it and I said, well, hell no, not with this grate out here. This is half the fun right here.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you can't
And your
screw
iron
it up.
skillet, your cast iron skillet.
Right,
Yeah.
and the cast iron skillet. So we're not going to screw it up too bad. I
Can
mean,
we
I
get a
think
fork so we can see how it's flaking?
that's what I was thinking too. This is
Okay.
a little much. Here, I'll take that, babe. And whoops, sticks everywhere. We got our pokey sticks out here. I mean, the skin might come off. That's not a big deal. Not to me, anyway. That looks like a campfire mitt, doesn't it? Thank you.
Are you filming?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. Do you want a spatula?
No. I mean, I've got the spatula over there.
Oh, yeah, you do. Okay.
And that's done. You know, see, there's not much flesh there.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's what I think we'll do. I'm going to flip these. And then what I'm going to do is put a little foil on the top for the last few minutes just so the middle
Gets hot.
gets hot.
All right, and I will bring that out.
Are you the fetch it girl?
That's it.
That's it.
That's my roll.
Oh man, I want to dive in this and try it, you know now. I'm going to have to cheat. I'm the cook. I can eat whatever I want. Oh, yeah. Oh, Mommy. Oh, Daddy. We're a big old baddie. Oh, Mommy. Oh, Daddy. I'm a big old baddie.
You liking this piece?
Yes. Yeah, perfect. I just want to make sure the center part.
The flavor is
Yeah.
unbelievable.
All right. Yeah. All right. That's what I mean, baby. We don't have to go too much longer. I just want the middle. Yeah, I didn't. We'll have to be careful. Yeah, I just want the middle done, so we'll let it steam a little bit.
I'll go get plates and stuff out.
Do you want to eat out here or inside? What do you want to do? Is it too cool? No. Woo! 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 You hear the echo? You guys, I am having a freaking blast. This is so fun.
Oh my gosh.
I could do this all the...
You want me to put it on while you turn the
Yeah, that's done. Okay, here's our spread. Sizzling at your plate on your tabletop. Fresh trout caught in Colorado. And this is our lovely pasta here. My assistant so kindly helped me. This is capellini, really made with spaghetti noodles though. Spinach, fresh spinach, grape tomatoes, fresh shaved Parmesan, 2.5, I think, or 3 lemons, olive oil, garlic powder, capers, Himalayan sea salt, Himalayan salt, and pepper, and it's quite tasty. All right, this is our dinner, and then we have some cilantro here if anybody wants to add that. All right, guys, we're gonna eat. There it is, sizzling at your table. Bye. This is our plate with the pasta. Look, guys, this is amazing. My friend, this is my friend Di. Tell the people what you think.
It is incredible. Done to perfection.
Yeah.
And I eat a lot of fish. This is awesome.
Yeah, babies. Yes, this is FatCat style. She and her husband fish, oh boy, the Gulf all the time, and they eat all kinds of fancy stuff. Snapper and redfish and grouper, but she doesn't get trout very often, so this is a delicacy for her. All right, guys, we're going to eat. Thank you so much. Having a great time. Bye-bye. Toodles my noodles.